Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
As long as you are okay with not expecting to recreate the pies you might find coming out of a wood-burning Neapolitan oven, you can make good pizza at home with normal home kitchen equipment, even more basic than you might think.
Take our lead.
Ingredients: 1½ cups 355 milliliters, warm water, 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. 1 package 2¼ teaspoons of active dry yeast. 3¾ cups 490 grams bread flour. 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, omit if cooking pizza in a wood-fired pizza oven. 2 teaspoons salt. 1 teaspoon sugar.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Flour is the main ingredient in pizza dough, and the type you use can have a big effect on the end result. All-purpose flour will work fine, but if you want a chewier crumb and a better hole structure, you should consider buying yourself some high-protein bread flour.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
All-purpose flour is one of the best flours for pizza. It is commonly used to create thin New York-style crusts, Neapolitan-style pizzas, and deep-dish pizza crusts. Freshly milled from certified organic, hard red wheat, this premium organic all-purpose baking flour is perfect for baking delicious pizza crusts.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.